Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is success. Libra, you've made it to the next level. You keep on leveling up. Every day, every week, you continue to meet challenges and you always continue to defeat these challenges or overcome these challenges or obstacles, becoming stronger, wiser, and then you land into another barrel, another land or surrounding of success. I grow and thrive in the universe, and I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards victory. I direct my thoughts towards clarity and nurture wisdom, love, and goodness that's all within me. I'm free now, and I succeed in my life. Be free, be great. You can't tell air where to go, where to flow, so be your original self. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself, love you too.